Hello students, in today's session of NCERT chapter 7, Integral Calculus, topic discussed will be indefinite integration. Very basics will be cleared using illustrations from exercise 7.4. Discussion will be on the topic 1 over quadratic equation, 1 over under quadratic equation, linear over quadratic equation, linear over under quadratic equation, and reducible to these types. All topics being very important, it is requested go through the session completely. In earlier session, we have also discussed the exercise NCERT 7.1, NCERT exercise 7.2, NCERT exercise 7.3, which you can review on sethiswiftlearn. Now, let's start with the concept and questions. In today's session, illustration are being taken from NCERT exercise 7.4. Type will be 1 over quadratic equation, formula applicable are integration of 1 over a square plus x square dx 1 by a tan of inverse x upon a plus c 1 over x square minus a square dx 1 by 2a log of x minus a over x plus a plus c 1 over a square minus x square dx 1 over 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x plus c 1 over under root quadratic, that is 1 over under root x square plus minus a square dx, that comes out to log of x plus under root x square plus minus a square plus c, and 1 over under root a square minus x square dx sine of inverse x upon a plus c. These formulas will be applicable by reducing into standard form. All these questions are going to be discussed in subsequent sessions. Now let's start with the question. Question is, find the integration of 3x square upon x⁶ plus 1. This is concept applicable and solution. In this case, can be reduced, this question can be reduced in 1 over quadratic equation. How? Numerator mein we have x square. X square can be eliminated by substituting x cube equal to t, and the denominator will be 1 over t square plus 1, right? Now, let's put here x cube equal to t, 3x square equal to dt by dx, then dx dt equal to 3x square dx. So integration will become 1 over, we complete 1 over t square plus 1 ka whole square dt. Formula applicable will be 1 over a tan of inverse x upon a plus c for the formula 1 over x square plus a square dx. Right? So this comes out to be tan of inverse t upon 1 plus c, back substitution, that is tan of inverse x cube plus c. This is the answer, right? Next question. Question is, find the integration of 1 over under root 1 plus 4x square. It is also reducible into 1 over under root a square plus x square. 2x को t put कर दें हम, x dx will be equal to dt by 2, 1 by 2, 1 over under root 1 plus t square. 2x को t put किया 2x t, that comes out to be 1 by 2 log of t plus under root 1 plus 1 plus t square plus c. Back substitution. That comes from 1 by log 2x plus under root 1 plus 4x square plus c. We can make use of that formula. It will be 2x whole square. So apply the formula standard form divided by the coefficient of x. You can use also that one. Right? Next question. Question is, find the integration of 1 upon under root 2 minus x whole square plus 1. This is of the type of 1 over under root x square plus a square. तो पुट किया हमने 2 minus x equal to t dx equal to minus dt minus 1 over under root t square plus 1 का square dx. Formula applicable log of x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. Right? So this comes out to log of t plus under root t square plus 1 plus c. Back substitution. So then it is minus log of t 2 minus x plus under root 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. Right? Question is, find the integration of 3x upon 1 plus x to the power 1 plus 2x to the power 4. This is reducible to 1 over quadratic equation. How? By substitution. By substitution, if we put x square equal to t, then we will get x dx equal to dt by 2. Put किया x equal to t, then x dx equal to dt by 2. Integration reduces to 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 over 1 plus 2t square dt. That is 3 by 2 integration of 1 plus root 2 t divided dt. That is formula applicable will be 1 over a square plus alpha x plus b whole square dx. Answer is 1 over alpha to 1 by a tan of inverse alpha x plus b divided by. Means this should be linear equation. This should be linear of the type alpha x plus b. Right? Then this will be equal to 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2 tan of inverse 1 by a 1 by 1 into tan of inverse root 2t. t की वैल्यू पुट कर दी हमने x square upon 1 plus c. So this comes out to be 3 upon 2 root 2 tan of inverse root 2 x square plus c. This is the answer. Next question. Now in this case, this is also find integration of this. So this is also x cube को t put कर दें x square dx equal to dt by 3. So this equation integration will reduce to 1 over 1 minus t square 1 by 2. That is 1 over a square, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 log of 1 plus t 1 minus t plus c. Back substitution. Back substitution is 1 by 4 log of 1 plus x cube upon 1 minus x cube plus c. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these videos, that is concept killing videos, are very, very helpful and important for 11th standard, 12th standard, CBSE board, state boards, NEET and JEE and other entrance examinations. Concerned में review on sethiswiftlearn YouTube channel. In earlier session, we have discussed all these things in which illustrations were taken from JEE Main, which you can review on sethiswiftlearn. इसी के साथ साथ मैं आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल sethiswiftlearn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज subscribe it and share with the colleagues and friends. Let's start with the next question. Question is, find integration of x minus 1 upon under root x square minus 1. This is concept applicable in solution. Now, break up. Break up is a plus b upon c equal to a upon c plus b upon c. So this will become x upon under root x square minus 1 dx minus 1 over under root x square minus 1 square. Now in this case, put किया हमने x square minus 1 equal to t, x dx equal to dt by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root dt. This comes out to be 1 by 2 into 2 root t, power formula, on substitution, back substitution. So root x square minus 1. In this case, we can apply the direct formula. X square minus 1 log of x plus under root x square minus 1 plus c. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, find integration of x square upon under root x square plus x to the power 6 plus a to the power 6. Is reducible? Given equation is reducible to 1 over under root quadratic equation of type 1 under root x square plus a square. That is log of x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. We can eliminate x square by substituting x cube equal to t. Put किया हमने x cube equal to t, x square dx equal to dt by 3, 1 by 3, 1 over under root t square plus a cube square dt. That is 1 by 3 log of t plus a cube plus c. Back substitution, 1 by 3 log of x cube plus under root x cube x to the power 6 t square आएगा t square x to the power 6 plus a to the power 6 plus c. That is the answer. That is the answer. Next question. Find the integration of sec²x upon under root tan square x plus 4. This is again reducible to 1 over root quadratic by substituting tan x equal to t. Tan x equal to t, sec²x dx equal to dt. Therefore, I will become 1 over under root t square plus 2k square under root, that is log of t plus under root t square plus 4 plus c. Back substitution, log of t tan x plus tan square x plus 4 plus c. That is the answer. Right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.